This daily market update has been brought to you by Daily Wealth Report. Trading involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for you. Past performance is no guarantee or reliable indication of future results. All advice and education content is of the nature of general information only and must not in any way be construed or relied upon as legal, financial, or personal advice. Good morning, traders and investors. It's Thursday, the 5th of July, and we've had a very quiet market overnight with US markets closed due to the 4th of July Independence Day holiday. We see the FTSE was up only very slightly. In fact, it was actually down 3 points, barely unchanged at all. So 5684 looks like it's an upwards day there. Obviously closing high, it must have opened slightly lower to form such a green candle. But we talked yesterday about the fact that this buying momentum is slowing. But without the US markets open, there was not a lot of momentum in behind that anyway. The DAX index was down slightly as well. It was down 13 points, or 0.2%, closing at 6564. Very similar picture there with slowing buy momentum. And the French CAC 40 was down 3 points, or 0.1%, at 3267. So a very similar picture across all the leading indices in Europe. With the US markets closed, there's nothing to report there. We'll leave those indices alone for now and take a look at the ASX 200, which was up 45 points, closing at 4172, breaking through the previous resistance level, closing above its 50-period moving average on a strong movement. That was supported by positive retail sales that came out yesterday, much stronger than expected, and showing that maybe things aren't all doom and gloom in the local economy. The SPI futures, however, are only up 1 point, so they're barely unchanged ahead of the opening bell, and we'll just need to see if there's any activity pushing the markets in that continuation of a short-term rally. Well, that's a very brief update for the day with, as I say, the US markets closed. There isn't much more to discuss at this point in time. We'll look forward to giving you an update again tomorrow.